In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for operations so you can start building a simple but powerful system to organize your company processes. We're going to focus on creating a structure where all your operational information lives in one clear place. By the end, you'll have a dedicated operations folder, a list for your standard operating procedures, and a space to start writing your first process manual as a document inside ClickUp. Let's start at the space level in your ClickUp workspace. Think of a space as a big container for a specific team or function, like operations, marketing, or product. On the left side of your screen, find the space where you want your operations to live. Next to that space name, look for the small plus icon. This button is used to create new items within that space. Click the plus icon next to your space, and from the options that appear, choose folder. A folder is like a subcontainer inside the space. It helps you group related lists together. When the prompt appears to name your folder, type in company operations. This will become your central hub for all operational content. Using a clear name here makes it easy for anyone on your team to immediately recognize where to find key processes and resources. After naming it, confirm the creation. You should now see the company operations folder under your chosen space in the sidebar. If you ever manage multiple teams or departments, having this dedicated folder keeps your operations clearly separated from projects, tasks, and other work. Now, inside the company operations folder, we're going to add a list specifically for your standard operating procedures, or SOPs. A list in ClickUp is where tasks or items are organized, and SOPs work really well as tasks you can open, edit, and assign. With the company operations folder selected, look for the option to create a new list. This is usually labeled Create List, or shown as a plus button within the folder view. Click Create List, and when you're asked to name it, type Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. This name tells everyone exactly what lives inside this list, the step-by-step instructions for how your company runs different processes. Once the list is created, you can start adding tasks for each individual procedure like onboarding, invoicing, or quality checks. Even if you're just getting started, setting up this structure now makes it much easier to scale later as you add more processes. Next, we'll create a space for writing your first process manual as a document directly in ClickUp. At the top of your SOP list, you'll see several view options such as list, board, or other views depending on your setup. Look for the option labeled Plus View. This button lets you add different ways of looking at and working with the same information. Click on Plus View, and from the menu that appears, select Doc. This creates a document view connected directly to your SOP list. A doc is perfect for writing out detailed process manuals, including step-by-step instructions, screenshots, and notes. Give your new doc a clear title, like First Process Manual, or use the specific name of the process you're documenting. Then, you can start outlining your procedure right inside ClickUp, keeping it in the same place where your tasks and SOP list already live. By following these steps, you've created a simple but effective operation structure in ClickUp, a company operations folder, an SOP list, and a dedicated doc to write your first process manual. From here, you can continue adding more SOPs as tasks, more docs for detailed guides, and keep all your operational knowledge organized and easy to find.